I've learned so far that it doesn't have to be perfect for it to be meaningful, for it to matter, for it to be welcome, for it to be accepted, for it to be appreciated. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I've learned to let go of worry, of fears, and I've learned to stop putting limits on myself, on my capabilities, on my desires. I've learned to not think that I'm dreaming too big, that I'm wanting too much. And I've learned that I'm exactly where I need to be every single time. I've learned to find stillness in the chaos.